This is Jonathan Cohen. I'm a partner at NextLaw.ca, Ontario's dedicated stunt driving law firm. And this is part 3 of my discussion on the 30-day roadside suspension. You've recently been charged with stunt driving and you are still in your 30-day roadside license suspension. It's confusing, it's stressful, and you have a lot of questions, and I get it. The officer was not your friend and he was not there to give you follow-up advice. It's not their job. Their job is to charge you, and now it's your job to figure all of this out. Well, the good news is I'm here to help. So what is the cost to get back your license after the 30-day suspension? So out of this horrible ordeal, there is one element that should not cost anything, and that is getting your license back. There should be no cost for getting your license back from Service Ontario. Simply put, after the 30 days, you get a temporary license from Service Ontario, and they mail you a new hard copy in the mail. You have to make an appointment to visit them and bring all of the documentation that was given to you at the roadside when you were given your initial stunt driving charge. So people say, I heard there was a reinstatement fee for my license. Well, that's a good point, but it only happens in certain types of suspensions. There is a reinstatement fee for some, but for stunt driving in Ontario, it is an administrative suspension. And the easiest way to think of this type of suspension is to think of it more of as a pause on your license for 30 days. And after this initial pause, this period of time, your license will get unpaused. So after all the expenses of paying the 14-day impound, the loss of work, or Uber that you had to take to get to work, etc., there is actually one part of your charge that has no cost at the present time, and that is this 30-day suspension. So after I get back my license, can I just start driving again? Another common question. The answer is absolutely. Once it's out of suspension, it's out of suspension. And once you get your license back after the 30 days, you can drive as though this never happened until your charges are actually resolved in court. So there's nothing more you need to do after getting your license back from Service Ontario except start trying to figure out how to deal with your charges on your court as your court date approaches. So what are my next steps? Well, right now is the time to start thinking about how you want to deal with your stunt driving charges as your court date approaches. Book a meeting below with myself, Jon Cohen, or Dan Joffe, and I will help develop a court strategy that will save you from that 1 to 3 year license suspension and all of those other penalties that come along with your Ontario stunt driving charge.